What's up, Vechain Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Vechain. My friends, that is the warning alert news for all Vechain holders. My friends, at this time, the things are getting crazy, my friends. Wake up, my friends. It's time to wake up, my friends. Be alert and be safe from loss, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, the price of the Vechain price at this time is going crazy, my friends. You can see here negative 0.51% price change occurring in the Vechain, my friends, in the last 60 minutes. So that is the big notes for all of you that the price is going down. That is the warning news for all Vechain holders, my friends. Wake up and be safe from loss. So what should we do in this critical situation? You already know that the price is going down, the price changes is going crazy. So what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? Let me show you, my friends. I will show you how you can solve this problem, my friends. You know what, my friends, from the previous last 2 weeks, the price of Vechain going down. You can see here the price of the Vechain is going down from the previous last 2 weeks, but now at this time the price is very fastly going down. In the only 60 minute 1% price going down, so that's a big speed of losing money, my friends. So my personal advice, my personal suggestion for all of Vechain holders at this time is that my friends, first of all, don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so the last 1 month, last 2 weeks price change is still negative. So if this price change is still negative, so that's mean that you're in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone that please don't decide to sell. It's time to only hold and hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.